Scattered storms across portions of the area earlier today and even up to tonight, but things quieting down now. Live look, Cumberland County and Crossville atop City Hall. A couple of cars on Main Street heading north, but it is quiet, it is dry, and we have good visibility. Now, people asked about the scattered storms that came out of Kentucky into Tennessee. Heavy rainfall, some gusty winds. Why did they fall apart as they got into the Knoxville area? Well, earlier today, we had thunderstorms here in the Knoxville area, and the atmosphere had a lot of the fuel used up, right? It's kind of like, use the analogy of you're running a marathon. Well, you get all the way to mile 22, you're getting pretty tired. You're not going to run another marathon once you finish the initial marathon, right? Kind of same thing happens to the atmosphere. It's tired. The showers and storms where we didn't see much this afternoon, none at all, there was still plenty of energy. You could run, right? But once that line gets a little further south, it's weakening and falling apart. But still some light rain, portions of Union County back through eastern Anderson and west sections of Knox County, but it's very light. Temperatures in the upper 60s, low 70s for most areas right now. And I don't think we're going to change much from where we are. It is still a very soupy atmosphere, though, even with this weak cool front coming through. I've been trying to stress this is not an October cold front, right? We're not going to see lows in the 50s by tomorrow morning. It's more of a less hot trend that'll be heading our way into the weekend. Rain chances will continue to diminish. We'll be drying out most areas by daybreak. Temperatures will dip into the low 70s, including 72 here in Knoxville. Upper 60s, though, across portions of the plateau into Kentucky. They're only going to be in the upper 70s there tomorrow and low 80s, while areas Knoxville southward a touch warmer, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. The reason why is they're going to have a bit more cloud cover, so no heat index values for those areas. But some south, where we get a little bit more sunshine, still close to triple digits. Let's talk about the rain chances. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Watch. There's a lot of cloud cover up there tomorrow, so not much of a warm-up. Cold front sliding south into the area. It's further south of us, but there's still enough energy that we could see a few scattered showers and storms, especially Knoxville, south and eastward. Foothills, Smokies, western North Carolina look to be the best bet for those showers and storms for tomorrow. I'd say portions of Kentucky, limited if any rain chances in your region for tomorrow. So the better chances, if we're going to see some additional flooding, east of Knoxville and especially into western North Carolina, kind of a medium risk. So be careful maybe driving into the Asheville area for tomorrow and if you're heading off towards the east. What about into the weekend? Some scattered chances Saturday and Sunday, but they're a little different in the sense that Saturday's rain chances are a little more likely Knoxville eastward into the mountains, but by Sunday, Knoxville westward, back towards the plateau in Middle Tennessee. A little bit better chance. And I'm going to keep a close eye on Tuesday into Wednesday. Some tropical moisture possibly coming up out of the Gulf of Mexico could be bringing us some rain chances across the area, but for the most part, I think it's going to stay to the east of us, Bo.
All right, Ken, thank you. Well, coming up, one ball off.